Hi everyone, today I'm unboxing the mixer that I bought in Lazada. So I did not put the brand because there are a few that look like this mixer in Lazada that had a different brand, but the specific one I'll put it down in the description box. So here I'm showing you that it came with a whisk, a dough hook, and a beater, and it also came in with this Chinese manual that I really couldn't read. And there, the entire body of the mixer. So you can use it to make dough, to mix certain things, and then to whisk. It comes with like 6 speeds, so I think I haven't gone past 4. And here are some pictures of how it looks like. So the front, back, and the bottom part. And here's a quick demo of how it works. So here I'm demoing how I tried to whisk eggs for Japanese pancake. So I think I spent about 30 minutes on speed to get this consistency. So overall, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the product. So again, the link to the store is down below. So there's nothing much to say. The product was pretty straightforward. So again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please watch, like, and subscribe. See you soon.